Hey everybody, stay motivated. Get it. Go, go, go. Stay motivated. Stay motivated. Keep going. And keep going. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Diamond Rose coming back to you guys with another set of great jobs for this week. And we're going to start off with this first video with this company called Recruiting Solutions. And this job role for this job will be hospital claims specialist, my diamonds. Let's get it. So with this company, it'll be $17 an hour to start and pay through $19 an hour. It's a full-time job position. Now the qualification of this job is ICD 10, 2 years preferred, hospital AR 2 years preferred, physician office AR 2 years preferred. Not required but preferred. The benefits for this job will be 401k, 401k matching, dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off, vision insurance, and work from home. Now, the full job description goes as this. The virtual business office is currently seeking experienced patient accounts and insurance accounts receivable follow-up representatives to join our award-winning healthcare revenue cycle extended business office team. We provide revenue cycle business office solutions for our clients nationwide and have been ranked #1 in KLAS for extended business office services for 6 consecutive years. If you are looking to join a winning team and industry leader in revenue cycle management, this is the position for you. This is a remote position hiring in South Carolina, North Carolina, Georgia, Florida, and Texas. Responsibilities for this job of being a hospital claims specialist would be possesses thorough understanding of the hospital revenue cycle with specialization in hospital billing, follow-up, and the account resolution process, and to include but not limited to claim submission, acceptance and agitation, transaction reviews, adjustment posting, identification of patient responsibility, etc. Utilizes and applies industry knowledge to resolve age accounts receivable by working various account types, including but not limited to hospital and or professional claims, governmental and or non-governmental claims, denied claims, high priority accounts, etc. Leverages available resources and systems, both internal and external, to analyze patient accounting information and take appropriate action for payment resolution, documents all activity in accordance with organization and client policies, assists in monitoring, mentoring of new hires, including but not limited to shadowing and answering general collection questions. Remains open-minded with change, maintains maintains performance during periods of changing and understanding changes in taxes and or environment as well as the basis for change. Possess a ability to professionally communicate in all forms with payer resources such as website, email, telephone, customer service departments, etc. Possesses a cooperative and positive attitude towards clients, management, and co-workers by responding policy and professionally and being a valuable team player. Qualifications and requirements is a high school diploma or GED required. Previous experience as a patient accountant associate 1 or prior related work experience. Minimum of 1 year's hospital or physician accounts receivable follow-up will also consider 1 year in medical collections, billing and or claims experience. Minimum of 1 year's Medicare experience preferred, experience working high dollar or complex accounts receivable. Now, the recruiting solutions provide equal employment opportunity (EEO) to all employees and applicants for employment without regards of race, color, religion, sex, national origin, age, disability, or genetics. In addition to federal law requirements, Recruiting Solutions complies with applicable state and local laws governing non-discrimination in employment in every location in which the company has facilities. Recruiting Solutions expressly prohibits any form of workplace harassment based on race, color, religion, gender, sexual orientation, gender identification or expression, national origin, age, genetic information, disability, or veteran status. Now, this job, once again, the pay will start at $17 per hour through $19 per hour. And the benefits goes as once again is 401k, 401k matching, dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off, vision insurance, and work from home. Now the schedule will be a full-time schedule, which meaning 8-hour shift Monday to Friday. And the experience once again, but not preferred, it's not required, but it's preferred. It's ICD 10, 2 years preferred, hospital AR 2 years preferred, the physician office AR 2 years preferred, and its work location is remote, 100% remote. And the hiring insights is ongoing. Need to fill this role. Now it's a priority hiring, and this just got posted today, you guys. Yes, it's Monday. Today, you guys. So if it seems like something that you would like to do, go ahead and jump into it and go ahead and apply for this job. I will place it down in the description box below, and I want you to get right onto it because you guys are worth it. Remember to stay motivated. Motivated. Come on, you guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Keep that train on the track. Get a piece of that work pie. You are a diamond. You sparkle. You shine. No matter if you're a man or woman. No matter if you are anybody can apply. Just go ahead and just apply because you never know what type of qualifications they're looking for other than the ones that they are listing. So guys, come on, let's go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you are new here. And if you are one of my diamonds, my current diamonds, go ahead and give this video a like. It'll help with the algorithm and help me get found on all these pages that YouTube is recommending. So let's go ahead and get this stuff on the roll, you guys. And I just need you guys to go ahead and stay encouraged. It's gonna be okay. Whatever you're going through, just know that it won't last forever. Okay? Everything has a season. Everything has its time. This is your time to flourish and bloom and get going and do what you have to do. Get your foot in the door. Apply to those great jobs. You've got this. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay? And don't give up. That's not an option. You got this. You're a diamond. You sparkle. You got it. All right. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.